Hey everybody, Dr. Josh Jagoda here, and today we're going to get into the brachialis and the biceps release using Graston tools, and we are going to do that on ourselves. So this is going to be a self brachialis bicep release using the Graston tools. And I have another brachialis release muscle on how to do it on your own, and you can be sure to go check that out on yourself, but today we're going to focus on our tools here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by rolling up our sleeves, and we know that the brachialis is a deep elbow flexor underneath the bicep. So in order for us to get the bicep or to the brachialis, we're going to have to work through the bicep. We're also going to have to work at the ulna in that area, because that's where the brachialis is going to insert. So we're going to take our Graston tool here, and we're going to apply some emollient first, and we're going to start light, okay? First things first, I already know that I have a little bit of an issue here, so there's no surprise. I might be working a little bit more in one area than the other, particularly for myself and for many of you out there. You're going to find that the brachialis and the bicep is going to be pretty tight, maybe more so on the inside here, so that you may want to focus more on the inside. I know I'm going to have a little bit more issues on the inside, and I could already feel the tenderness through the tendon here. So this is the lengthened phase. What you're going to first want to do is start treating the bicep in order to get down underneath that brachialis, right? We need to relax the bicep first, and we're going to switch the tool around in multiple ways. And then what we're going to do is, using this little tool here, I'm going to actually roll open like this, just so I can get the inside of that bicep and down into the forearm here. And this is where I'm really tender, right at that attachment point right here. Okay, so let's talk about the brachialis now. In my last video, like I said, we're able to approach it from both the inside, meaning here on the medial side, as well as the lateral side. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to push the bicep out of the way, and for me to do that, I'm going to actually, it's hard to do it on myself, but when I'm working on a patient, it's a lot easier. So I'm going to just slide under, and I'm just going to work up and down along the bicep edge. And I can feel a little bit of the brachialis there, right onto the bone. And I'm going to work up and down, going this way, and then I'm going to work this way, right along the brachialis muscle, trying to get underneath the bicep, and there's a good spot right there for me. Good. So I know that the inside part tends to be a little bit more uncomfortable for the other people, because we tend to pull a little bit more from this side. So I'm going to start really slow. Be careful if you ever are doing self releases on your own, that you don't hit the bicep on the neurovascular bundle, meaning the nerve, artery, vein can be really tender in that area and can shoot some pain down into the arm. So you really want to be careful on this. And so you can see how I'm attacking this here. See how like the bicep is sticking out? It's because I'm not to say penetrating, but I'm going under and deep, and I'm scooping under. I'm not actually just going like this through the bicep, because it's really, really a thick muscle, so you're not going to get through that thickness. So what we do is go around it and under it. So just like a boulder or a rock or something like that in the middle of a river, you're not going to go through that boulder, you're going to go around it, right? So we're not going to go through this, we're going to go around it, and we're going to go under and scoop under. There it is. And I have a great amount of tension in there. And so if I want to add a little bit more, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to start in this flex position. Start scooping under there, and I can feel the tender point, and then I'm going to hold that tender point, and I'm going to go through it. Again, be careful of the nerve, artery, and vein. And I actually feel like I'm getting a better job getting underneath this bicep when it's in its relaxed position. So imagine you're going to put your head like this. You're not going to be flexing. You're just going to relax and get the muscle underneath the bicep. And while it's in its relaxed state, we're going to go back to the forearm, hit the forearm right at the insertion points, scooping under. Alright? And so I'm going to continue on, alright guys? We're going to continue to release this bicep, this brachialis muscle, and help heal some of our own arm and elbow pain. Alright guys? Make sure you check us out on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, if you're doing this release on your own, be careful, especially on the inside of those sensitive structures. Alright? Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye.